Starting a business sounds exciting, but for most beginners, the biggest problem is simple. No money, no investors, no savings. That's exactly why this video matters. In this video, I am sharing 5 zero-investment business ideas that anyone can start from scratch, even if you have no experience and no capital. These are not theory-based ideas. Each one is practical, proven, and beginner-friendly. I will explain how each business works, what skills you need, what tools are required, and how you can actually start. Number 1. Freelance problem-solving services. Most beginners think freelancing means writing or designing. That's not true. Freelancing is simply solving a specific problem for businesses. Companies constantly need help with things like organizing data, managing emails, researching competitors, fixing website content, creating reports, or handling back-end tasks. You don't need money to start. You need clarity on one problem you can solve better than others. To start, identify one simple service. For example, market research using public data, lead list building, content formatting, or basic process documentation. Learn this skill through free resources on YouTube and blogs. Practice by doing mock tasks, then create profiles on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. Tools required are minimal. A laptop, stable internet, Google Docs, Google Sheets, and basic communication tools like Zoom or email are enough. Skills needed include attention to detail, clear communication, time management, and willingness to learn. The key is positioning. Don't sell yourself as a beginner. Sell a specific outcome, like I help founders organize messy data into clean reports. This business has zero investment, global clients, and scalable income if you specialize. Number 2. Online consulting based on personal experience. You don't need a degree to become a consultant. You need experience in solving a problem. If you have ever improved something in your life or work, you already have consulting potential. People pay for clarity, not certificates. Beginners can start consulting in areas like budgeting, productivity, fitness routines, study planning, career guidance, or small business operations. Start by identifying one area where people often ask for your advice. Then structure your knowledge into a simple framework. For example, a 3-step budgeting system or a weekly productivity method. Share valuable content on social media or LinkedIn to build credibility. Tools required are simple: video calling apps, Google Docs for notes, Calendly for booking calls, and basic payment platforms. Skills needed include listening, explaining clearly, and problem analysis. You can start with free sessions to collect testimonials, then charge for one-on-one calls. Over time, this can grow into group coaching or digital products. This business requires no money, only confidence, clarity, and consistency. Number 3. Digital service agency using free tools. Many beginners believe agencies require teams and money. In reality, a digital service agency can start with just one person and free tools. The idea is simple. You offer a service, deliver results using free or freemium tools, and charge clients for outcomes, not hours. You can start an agency around services like social media content planning, basic SEO audits, email campaign setup, website content optimization, or automation setup using free software. First, pick one service and learn it deeply using free tutorials. Then test your skill on your own project or a sample business. Tools needed include Google Docs, Google Sheets, Canva free version, Notion, free SEO tools, and communication tools like email or Zoom. Skills required are problem understanding, basic technical knowledge of your service, client communication, and consistency. You don't need to build a website initially. Outreach through LinkedIn, cold emails, or freelancing platforms works well. As you grow, you can standardize your process and even outsource tasks. This business has zero investment and strong potential to scale into high-income territory. Number 4. Educational content creation skill-based. Educational content creation is one of the strongest zero-investment business models today. If you can explain a topic clearly, you can build an audience and monetize it over time. This includes YouTube videos, blogs, newsletters, podcasts, or short-form educational content. Start by choosing one topic you understand well. It could be business basics, personal finance, career growth, technology concepts, or skill tutorials. Your goal is to simplify complex information for beginners. Consistency matters more than perfection. Tools required are minimal: a smartphone or laptop, free video editing software, free blogging platforms, and basic graphic tools like Canva. Skills needed include communication, storytelling, basic editing, and patience. Initially, income may be slow, but once content compounds, monetization options grow. These include ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, digital products, and consulting. The biggest advantage is leverage. One piece of content can earn repeatedly without extra effort. This business requires time, learning, and consistency, not money. Number 5. Remote support services for busy professionals. Remote support services are one of the most underrated zero-investment business ideas for beginners. Busy founders, executives, and creators are overloaded with daily tasks and are willing to pay for reliable support. This includes services like email management, calendar scheduling, customer support replies, document preparation, follow-ups, and basic online research. To start, clearly define what type of support you will offer. Beginners should focus on one narrow service instead of everything. For example, email and inbox management for small business owners, or customer support handling for online stores. Learn standard practices by watching free tutorials and studying how professionals communicate. Tools required are very basic: email, Google Workspace, task management tools like Trello or Notion, and video call apps. Skills needed include organization, clear written communication, time management, and confidentiality. You can find clients through LinkedIn, freelancing platforms, or direct outreach. Start with small packages and build trust. Over time, you can increase pricing or add specialized services. This business has zero startup cost, international clients, and stable recurring income potential. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with someone who wants to start a business, and subscribe for more practical, beginner-friendly business content.